Functionality: you have to press these buttons on these lavaliers if you want to put it to your shirt, and you can see a blue LED light. If you are pressing again one push, you'll see a green light, this noise cancelling activation that you can also personalize it into the application Boya Central. Small flash LED there, but if you want to use it as handheld, you can press this button here and it will open the mic, the first mic you need, the first mic and this button for you to record with the handheld mic like this, exactly like this. Now the second one, you can put it into the chest of someone and it's very simple, you can record with both of them. The power will be an indicator here that will tell you how much power do you have here for these small microphones to be charged. If you want to use just a microphone for this handheld gun, it's red now. You can turn on the handheld microphone from this button and it will automatically activate. This is a very important. The first one, you got to have just the first one to use handheld. If you want to use it in stereo mode, just put it like this, but I didn't like the sound. It's better with mono and just one mic. There's one lavalier for this to use it as a handheld mic. What I didn't saw, and neither the application has this, the TX mute. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, the TX mute, when you press, it doesn't cover the TX mute. For example, if you can take interviews, maybe Boya can make this button. You see, it only deactivated the noise cancelling. Noise cancelling on. You see, noise cancelling off. But maybe they can make a recording mode that can activate TX mute, transmitter mute. And while the first one is into this case, to be noise reduction on, noise reduction off. It's better this way to mute, for example, the sound with this button. Maybe they will make a firmware update and will say that this button can be used as a mute button. When you are putting into your chest, now it's off, this handheld. If you are pressing also, if you are pressing this button, it's noise cancelling on off. But if you want, but maybe I want to put mute to this microphone, or maybe 2 clicks, I don't know, maybe 2 clicks for mute, 3 clicks, I don't know, 2 clicks, I think they are good for mute, or 2 clicks for the noise reduction and 1 click for mute. Now I think I covered up all the Boya microphone and I show you everything. Now let me show you some tricks, guys. For some reason, if it will not see, you see green with green, this one it sees, this one it's not turned on. I think it will see from no, it doesn't see them. Hold this button, hold the receiver's button, right? And also hold it, turn off, and now hold it. Hold this button, you see? Now this is how you can do the pairing. You have to hold this button, and both mics are paired.